see the kingdom of God. I wanna see, I wanna see it. I wanna see the kingdom of God. If you wanna see the kingdom of God, if you wanna
Yeah, we'll
see
be looking at a
the
very simple
kingdom
topic
of
called
God.
algebra. Algebra. So I'll be sharing the screen with you now as we look into simple algebra.
You gotta love God.
Algebra. So now, have you heard this term algebra before?
Yes, sir.
Okay, what can you say it's all about? Yes, what does it mean? Or okay, it simply means using alphabets to represent numbers in mathematics. It means using alphabets. It means using alphabets to represent tense numbers in mathematics. So we're going to be looking into some examples now. For instance, if I say you already know 3 or 3 plus 6, no, equal to 9. If you see something like this, it's easier for you because you know 3 plus 6 equals 9. But if you see something like this, y plus y again plus 6y and plus x, no, then let me use x. Now let me use b. Plus b plus 2b plus c, equal to what? Equal to what? So if you see something like this, you might get a little bit confused what are they asking me to do? That is the essence going into algebra, that we can look at the simple explanations to it. Now, if you have something like this, all you just need to consider is which ones are the same and which ones are different. The y and y and y are the same, while the b and b are the same, and c is different from them. So in other words, I could say, how many y am I looking at here? So how many y's are here? Yes, how many y's can you see?
3,
Okay. How many b's can you see?
2,
But I can go ahead and say this is 8y plus 3b plus c. This is my answer. Now, do you know how I got 8y or 3b? Yes, do you know how I arrived at 8y or even the 3b? Do you know how I get it?
no, sir.
Okay. This is because in algebra, for example, if I say a plus a plus a, that is 3a. That is what?
3A.
Because I have to take the a and add. Let's assume this a are the alphabet, plastic alphabet that children play with. I put one a in the basket, I add another a, I add another a, then I'm going to have 3a. Please focus, don't write anything. So is that clear?
Yes, sir.
So that is why this is a y, this is another y, making 2y, plus 6y, making 8y. Is that clear to you?
Yes, sir.
And this is 2b. plus another b makes how many b?
That is one, three
No,
B's.
yes, 2b plus another b. Then c has no c to be added to. So that is why b. So that is what algebra is all about. So I can go ahead and say I have something like 1 to simplify 3f minus f plus 1. That means you're going to say how many f is here? 3. How many f is here? 1. So 3f minus f gives me what? 2f plus 1. That's my answer. Is that clear to you, or you have any question?
No, sir.
Okay, very good. That's clear. Now, okay, that's the trainer. Now, for number 2, let's assume I have 8m plus m minus 3m. So I want to simplify this. This is going to be 8m plus m is 9m, m minus 3m. And finally, it's going to be 6m. Very good. So let's assume I have something like 12p plus p equal to 65. 12p plus p equal to 65. Now, here I am not just simplifying, but I am to solve so that I can tell you that that p stands for a number. Please focus on this. Now, what will be this? This is 12p plus p, making how many p? Yes?
2P.
No.
2P.
12p plus p make how many p?
How be
You have 12 p's in a basket?
13.
Yes, you add another p makes 13p. So equal to 65. And the meaning of this is that p is a number. That number is multiplied by 13 and it gave me 65. What do you think that number should be? Which number p will I multiply by 13 to get 65? That means 13 times p is 65. So what do you think
5.
p? Yes, that should be 5. So how do we get our 5? Listen, because we want our p to stand alone, so you divide both sides by 13. You divide both sides by what?
13.
So this is going to be over 13. This is going to be over 13. So 13 divided 13 here, I have only p left. So I have p equal to 65 over 13, which is 5. So that is correct. Okay? Okay? Is that clear?
Okay, sir.
Yeah. So
Yes.
let's check it. Let's check it. What is the value of p? What's the value of
5.
5? If I put that 5 to replace p here, this will become 12 times 5, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So 12 times 5 is what?
60.
60 plus another p, which is 5, will give us what?
65.
Now, if you get an answer like this and you check and it doesn't work with the equation, that means your answer is not correct. Okay?
Okay, sir.
So let's move to another question. Let me clear the screen that we can move to another question on the solving simple equation. So I have this question here to look at, that is 2x plus x minus 10 equal to 2x plus x. Look at number 2 or number 3 or whatever number that is. 2x plus x minus 10 equal to 2. Please look at it, don't write anything. Now, how many x is here? How many x is this?
1.
2x. Read it again. 2x. How many
2x.
x? Yes. Plus another x.
2x.
Yes, plus another 1x. Which gives me what? 3x.
2x.
3x. Let me rewrite that. Gives me 3x. So minus 10 equal to 2. Now look at this. This is 3x minus 10 equal to 2. It is x I am looking for. Okay?
Okay, sir.
What are the things that are not making x to stand alone on this left-hand side of the equation? I have minus 10 and I have 3. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this negative 10 is going to cross to the other side so that it will remain only 3x here. So as it is crossing, it becomes positive when it crosses the equation side. If it was positive, it will change to negative. But because it is negative, it will change to what?
Positive.
Very good. So I have 3x equal to 2 plus 10. Where did I get plus 10 from? I moved the negative 10 to become positive. So 3x now equal to 12. Where did I get 12 from?
From the addition of 2 plus 10.
Very good. And like what we did before, when I had 13b equals 65, we divided by 13, yes or no? Yes or no? Are you
Yes,
hearing
sir.
me? Okay, very good. So this is now divided by 3, divided by 3. So that 3 can remove the 3 here, divide the 3, then I have only x. Then I can say, what is 12 divided by 3?
4.
So my x is 4. Is that clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's look at one more question here. Question 4. Question 4. I have I have 4x plus 5 equal to 17. 4x 4x plus 5 equal to 17. Maybe I should allow you to try this. Yes or no?
Yes.
So just try it and tell me what your answer is. You can calculate it somewhere now. So I'm giving you just 1 minute or 2 minutes. Go ahead now.
We're going to the kingdom of God. So I wanna see the kingdom of God. You gotta never crack any evil joke. You wanna see the kingdom of God. So every man should give again the very idol. What I say? If you wanna see the kingdom of God, do you wanna see the kingdom of God? Yes, I wanna see the kingdom of God.
I'm done, sir.
Okay, so what is your answer there?
3.
3. Okay, let's check it out. So that means if we say 4 times 3 is 12 and 12 plus 5 is 17, that is correct. Let me just write it. 4x plus 5 equal to 17. So that means 4x equals to 17 minus 5 and 4x equals to 12. Then x will be 12 divided by 4. That means it's 3. That is correct. So I'm going to give you one question right away to try as well. 5. 5. So let's say you have this 13 equals to 2x minus 3. So 13 equal to x. Try to solve that this way. So try to solve that and let me see what your answer will be.
Done, sir.
Okay, so what is your answer there?
8.
8. Okay. We're going to check it out now. Okay. So you said 2 times 8 is 16. Then 16 minus 3 is 10. Okay, that's correct. So let's say 13 equal to 2x minus 3. Then the 3 comes in, becomes 13 plus 3 equal to 2x. So 16 equal to 10. 2x gives me 16. I divide by 2. Then I have x equal to. Hey, that is brilliant. So we're going to clear the screen now. Put up one more question. Saying solving simple equation. Simple thing. So let's say this will go minus 2x 7x. Okay, 8 plus 4p equal to 6p minus 12. 8 plus 4p should be number 6. 8 plus 4p equal to 6p minus 12. Yes, try to solve this now. See. You can go ahead now. So, are you true now?
No, yes, sir.
Okay. But you're getting it?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Gotten it, sir.
Okay, so what is your answer there?
10.
10. Okay, so that means if I substitute 10, 4 times 10 is 40, and this is gonna give me 48 on the left hand side, and 6 times 10 is 60, and 60 minus 12, yeah, it's gonna be, so that is correct too. So after this, we look at one more question. It's here now. I collect my like terms. I bring the p's together, bring the numbers together. So I have 8 plus 12 equal to 6p minus 4p. Then that is 20 equal to 6p minus 4p. So how many p? It's 2p. Then I have 2p equal 20. That is 2 times 10 is 20. So over 2 with 2, I have p equal to 10. It's correct. So let's look at one more question. Try now. Then and we see. Let's say we have something like this: 6 plus 3 over 4 of y. 6 plus 2 over 4 of y. Something like this. Okay, hold on. Let me try to remove this 34. This 34 is 2 over 4 of y. Or I will write as number 7. 36 plus 4 equals to 44. Here we are looking for y. So does this look like something you can try? Yes. Can you try it? As in, okay, you can't, right?
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
okay, very good. So let's look at it together. Please focus on writing it. Here now,
Okay, sir.
yeah, the same method you have been following. This is going to be treated as a whole because this one doesn't have any y. So you leave it there. That will be 3 over 4 of y equal to what is outside? 4?
But
Yes. And the 36 is coming. 36 is positive. It's going to become negative. So that is 3y all over 4 now. Because 3 times y is 3y. Then what is 4 minus 36? Yes. What is 44 minus 36?
8.
8. It's correct. So I'm going to now cross multiply. I do cross multiply this. So 1 times 3y is 1y. And 4 times 8 is what? 32.
32.
So I'm going to say divided by 3, divided by 3. Please cancel it. And I have y 32 over 3. How many 3 is in 32? 10. Remainder 2 over 3. That is my answer. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay, very good. So you can look at more questions. Then we round up for today. Okay, get this question. So let's say we have something like 10. Wait a minute. 10 minus 60 plus 5 equals to 5t minus 30 plus t. Okay. What you have to do, you will collect the like terms, collect the terms. And that's going to be all the numbers together and all the alphabets together. The alphabets are T, so all the T's together. So I have 10 plus the number here 5, and the number here is coming, is crossing the sign. So minus 30 becomes plus 30. Then I move to the other side, 5t plus single t plus 3t. Then all the t's that were here, only one t. So negative 6t become positive 60. So this is 45 on this side. 5t plus t, 60. 6t plus 3t. That is what? 9t. 9t plus 60 is how many t? 15t. So I can say 15t equal to 45. So I divide both sides by 15 so that t can be free and find the value of t. Then this is this. Now t equal to 3 because that is 45 over 15. So is it clear to you now?
Yes, sir.
Now if you see any question on algebra, you should be able to tackle it well. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you very much for this class. So tomorrow by God's grace I'm gonna meet for you. So goodbye.
Bye.
Guys, you have a